mentioned the Aster missile yesterday, and we're back on the MBDA exhibit today to talk about the MEADS air defense systems with Mr. Bolyan, air defense specialist at MBDA Germany.
So development of the medium extended air defense system is based on the requirements of three major NATO partners, which is the United States of America, Germany and Italy. They are investing 4 billion in this project. Its development started 10 years ago and will be completed in 2014. MEADS cope with today's and with future threats. Its main advantages are three major NATO partners work together on an equal basis. They share their technologies. Each partner owns 100% of the development results. MEADS provides 360 degrees coverage. It is lightweight and can be easily transported in the A400M and the C130 airplane. Its open system architecture provides growth potential and gives its users the chance to integrate further sensors and effectors if required. For example, Polish defense radars might be integrated. Because of its plug-and-fight capability, also national assets, sensors, launchers can be connected or disconnected without affecting the system in operation. MEADS can be operated at lower cost with less personnel and saves a lot of money. Lockheed Martin, MBDA Germany and MBDA Italy are working together as equal partners in each aspect of the development. The principle of operation is one for all and all for one. So if Poland chooses MEADS for the Polish Shield program, the Polish industries will become a partner in the industrial cooperation team for MEADS. MEADS provides 8 times the defense coverage of an existing Patriot battery. MEADS offers a meaningful industrial core development for the Polish Shield program. Its capabilities are needed today. MEADS saves money. NATO allies are depending on it, and MEADS program is meeting its requirements.
We're here in Kielce, Poland for the MSPO 2013 Defense Show today with Scott Arnold, Vice President at Lockheed Martin Missiles and Fire Control. And we're standing in front of the HIMARS artillery system. And Scott here will give us a few details regarding the HIMARS. Thank you for having us. Can you first tell us the reason why you brought the HIMARS to MSPO?
Sure. Part of the Polish modernization plan for the military calls for a long-range precision artillery system, which is exactly what our HIMARS system is for the U.S. Army and the U.S. Marine Corps. So we're here meeting with local industry partners here in Poland to talk about how they can help us bring this capability to the Polish artillery.
Getting into technical capabilities, can you describe typical missions for the HIMARS?
Sure. In a typical mission for HIMARS, a target coordinate will come in. It may come in from a UAV or a forward observer in the field, and it will be sent digitally to the launcher. Once the crew receives that fire mission, then they bring the system up on power, and as you saw in the demonstration earlier, it will calculate a firing solution and raise the launcher to the correct firing azimuth and elevation angle, download the specific coordinates into the rocket or missile, and then fire the system when the crew lifts the fire button. And it's GPS precision guided, so within a few meters of the target and in just a few minutes of flight time, you'll get the target effects that you're looking for.
Can you mention a few examples of operational use by existing armies?
Sure. The United States Army and Marine Corps have both deployed with the HIMARS system to Iraq and Afghanistan, and they've been in use for several years over there. Over 40 HIMARS systems have deployed, accumulating over 350,000 hours of combat operation over there with a very high demonstrated reliability in that tactical environment. In the kinds of missions they've called for, over 2,000, over 2,600 GMLRS rockets have been fired by U.S. and the U.K. Forces in that combat operation. And over 500 ATACMS missiles have also been fired. And that's from both the HIMARS launcher as well as its brother, the M270, which is a slightly larger tracked version of the launcher.
Turkey is the guest nation at MSPO this year. We are now on the stand of Turkish company Otokar with Mr. Gorkuc, the general manager of Otokar, who will explain the reason for his presence here at MSPO this year.
As you know, this year Turkey is the special guest nation for MSPO, and we are, as being a Turkish company, we are also exhibiting here, and we are happy to be among the exhibitors in MSPO. MSPO started as a local exhibition, however by years it became more international, lots of participation happened, and as of today it's a good and international exhibition. There are lots of companies exhibiting here, there are lots of delegations coming all over the world here, and we are proud to be here as Otokar and showing our vehicles. This year in MSPO we are showing two of our products. One of them is Cobra, our 4x4 vehicle, which we think that it will attract attention by the users in Poland and also surrounding countries. As you know, the Cobra vehicle is in service for more than 19 vehicles around the world, and it's a well-known vehicle. Apart from Cobra, we also display our Arma 6x6 vehicle, which is 8x8, is a family of vehicles, 8x8 and 6x6. Here in MSPO, we are displaying the armored personal carrier version of 6x6 Arma, and with our products we meet, discuss and try to understand probable future needs of any users visiting MSPO. Being in Poland is important for us because Polish industry, defense industry especially, has deep roots, and there are very qualified expert companies which do their own designs, have specialist products, and we are trying to find lots of cooperation bases and ways and means to find out how we can cooperate on a subsystem level and some systems level with Polish companies.
We are now on the stand of Onuk shipyard, another Turkish exhibitor at MSPO 2013, with Mr. Onuk, the general manager of Onuk shipyard. So Mr. Onuk, thank you for having us on your stand here at MSPO. Can you start by telling us the reason why you're exhibiting at MSPO this year?
Well, Onuk has been in the military business since almost 28 years, and we are the world technology leader for composite high-speed patrol craft or attack craft up to 50 meters in length. To the date, we have 126 boats in service around the world in more than 8 countries. And we wanted to introduce our technology to Poland, taking into consideration the very strong ties between Poland and Turkey. So we are here to introduce our composite technology to the Polish Navy. So this is an MRTP 24U. This is the special operation craft. 2 of them are in service in the Turkish Navy. That's a 26-meter boat capable of carrying 16 fully equipped troops with a top speed of 55 knots. It is designed to be superior to all existing special operation craft in the world. The next larger model, that's the Onuk MRTP 34. 25 of these boats are today in service in 3 countries around the world, and it's a boat which is 37 meters long, capable of carrying a battery of anti-ship missiles medium range and a 40 millimeter gun as on the foredeck. It is capable of speeds up to 50 knots and is built in advanced composites, full to the DNV high-speed light craft classification rules. And the largest of the family is the Onuk MRTP 45, which is a 48-meter boat. It is designed to be superior to the conventional existing 60-65 meter fast attack craft, This is a full advanced composite vessel built to DNV classification rules. It can carry a 76 millimeter or a 57 millimeter gun in the front, can carry 2 or 1 quadruple anti-ship missile launchers, will have a top speed above 45 knot with all diesel engines, and can go up to 60 knot with gas turbine.